lifted Jeep Wrangler, so it had a specific need when it comes to the automatic steps. These are the amp ratio XLs, which come down 3 inches lower than the normal set of steps. Got the dual LED lights, also a dual motor, made specifically for lifted Jeeps and lifted trucks. Go around to the front there. We have the Diode Dynamics Stage Series Max fog light. It's a 2-stage light. The first stage is a backlight, orange, which you can see there, which is for like the cruising kind of cool light at nighttime. And then when you need the juice, you got auxiliary 1, which is that bad boy. That's the brightest LED yellow fog light on the market. Next item is the Oculus color shift headlights. This starts with a white DRL in the middle for just driving, and then you go to your Bluetooth controller from Oracle and you can turn it on, and it has 2 halos and a demon eye that are RGB that you can change to any color pattern you want. They're also a bi-LED, so this is an LED headlight in the middle that has your low beam and your high beam combined, and there's a shutter that opens and closes to differentiate between the low beam and high beam.
Can we go through some color modes?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
So you got red with the blue, green with the pink. We wired this up to be random because that's the coolest option, I thought. You go through the color wheel and it just changes. And then you also have the ability to do like a strobe. And then you can do a color fade between the different colors.
Wow, what a little strobe effect. That's really cool.
Now you guys go back to the regular all white. Or I like the green and pink, that's kind of cool.
Yeah, that's really good. Hey, so where we at?
7507 Tyler Blvd, Unit B, Mentor, Ohio. 440-525-2001. Extension number 1 comes to me. I'm David. You can get us at www.stereoinstalls.com. At Stereo Installs on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. This is our YouTube channel. We're the baddest. You know what I mean, Len?
We love you. We'll see you soon. Thanks a lot. Thanks for coming, stopping in. We'll see you on the next one.